call the most famous reindeer of all. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny...
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're starting our Christmas videos of starting to put stuff together. Yeah, transitioning.
As you can tell, we still have Halloween and Christmas, and so, yeah.
But we're going to do a tutorial for the Rudolph reindeer. Now, I did just get on Lowe's and look. They are sold out. But
and I'm so sad
hopefully they'll come back.
Because I didn't get the other ones, which we got Bumble, so stay tuned. We'll be putting Bumble together.
Yes, we got Bumble, but the, what was it, the elf?
Yeah.
Or the
I can't think of what his name is.
That's trying to be the dentist?
Yes.
I wanted Hemmy or something like that.
I wanted him, but we didn't get him. He was sold out, so.
But let's get started on this, and we'll put it together. It'll be real simple. It's not but like 6 or 7 pieces, but it is very cute, and
we'll let you hear what he says.
Yeah, maybe they'll come back in stock, and maybe you can get you one. If not,
yeah, because it's still early.
Yeah, it's still early, so maybe they'll come back in stock and get you one. And if not, maybe you can buy you one somewhere on eBay or something. But I would say, as fast as all these sold out, they'll be back next year. So let's get started.
All right. All right. Insert the left front leg into the body in the control box. A to A.
There ain't no way.
It does. Yeah.
And there's an Allen wrench in there too. I was like,
we're collecting Allen wrenches.
Yeah, we got like 50 of them from all
I think
these
it
Halloween
says the large ones. Did I not get the Allen wrench out? No.
All right, so you just put the screw in the leg and screw it in. Pretty simple. It just goes into a little slot that's got the screw in the plastic piece inside of it. You want to show them where it's going so they can see. And I'm kind of holding this leg up while I'm pushing it in, make sure it's going in straight. We don't strip nothing out. I hate these things that's got freaking screws a mile long.
And they are. Look how long they are.
All right, guys. So we got the A and B, and we're putting the C. So it does have a got a sensor down here on the leg. So you got to connect it, and just make sure that you push that wire up inside of it when you're putting it on. There. And you have to kind of just fill around with the screw till you feel it hits that spot where you can screw it in at, because they don't like just go straight in. Okay, guys, so we got the legs on it, got them screwed in. This thing is, I mean, it's fairly heavy, but where the legs are so close together, outside, I don't know if the wind blow it over or not, but we're probably going to drive a stake and zip tie the leg to the ground, which we'll put that in the video when we take it outside. And then this is just push button. It's real simple. You just push it in there. And then push it up in the head. There's a little cutout, and then a screw goes in it.
I don't know. Is it a little one? That's what I'm trying to find out. Screw the head to the body, screwing in a medium screw. And to the back of the head.
Yeah, I'm sure that's it. It's right in there, and again, you just stick it in there and kind of get it straight because they kind of can go in crooked. That's pretty simple.
Thank you. Oh, I just love him. Just reminds me of childhood. I love it. Right here. But it's got the letters on the back too. So G to G, H to H. And then it says you've got one screw for each. And it says small ones for these. Babe, I think we need to get a job putting all these together at the Home Depot and the Lowe's.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be. I would thoroughly enjoy that job.
Yeah, they don't take too much to. This ain't bad. These are here line up fairly easy. And this one's really not that bad, which is not very big, but
There in his ear. All right. It says put the wire on. We can turn him on, see what he does. Wow, ain't he cute?
that wires down here, which is like most of the Christmas stuff. You just push it in, make sure you get your little cap started straight, don't cross thread it.
Now, what are those other ones
All
for?
right, so you have a demo jack, which you could put a either you could hook a different type of sensor up, like if you have this, and if you do like some people do, and even we do it, you have a walkway. If you want this set further enough away that people can't touch it, but it's further than the sensor is, you could actually use driveway sensors on your walkway if you wanted to and hook it to the demo, or you can run a step pad out and set it on something in your walkway where they can turn it on and not get too close to it. And then there's a speaker jack. And of course, this has got the on, off, the demo, and then human. So let's see how good the sensor is. Which they must have put that sensor in there for you, sweetie. That way it would it could sense you as short as you are. You think they put it down where it's hitting legs?
No, is that what it is?
I think that's what it is.
My name's Rudolph. I'm cute! Ready, Santa! Merry Christmas! I'm independent.
That is cute. I like that.
Oh, God, I love him.
Now, it doesn't say how many sayings that does. Normally, most of them do. I don't know if it's multiple ones or it's the same one.
My name's Rudolph. I'm cute! Ready, Santa! Merry Christmas! I'm independent.
Sounds like that's all he does say. Because it just says sound and motion activated. It doesn't say a number of it. So I'm assuming that's it. Now, does it have it where you could just do lights only? No, it's just on and off.
And demo.
And demo.
There's not an actual on, it's a human, so that sensor.
So his nose just won't stay lit up.
Mm-mm. Now, and I'm sure they did that where it wouldn't burn it out.
He picks up good though.
My name's Rudolph. I'm cute.
And of course, it does have a volume control on it.
Hooray, Santa. Merry Christmas.
That's super cute.
And we'll probably leave him in the house until we put the abominable snowman up, and then we'll put him out there beside him.
Yeah, we're still trying to get down all of our Halloween stuff.
All right, guys, I'll tell you, I do have to say that I think Lowe's upped their game this year and beat Home Depot on their Christmas stuff. Because we did a Christmas video at Home Depot and Lowe's, and I just wasn't that impressed with Home
I
Depot.
love how they're
stuff
coming
this
out
year.
with this whole line.
Yeah.
Also, and I'm hoping we can make it to one.
Yeah.
The Spirit.
The Spirit want to
the
be opening
Christmas.
up. We're going to have one in Lexington here. We've already checked it.
Yeah.
So on opening day, we probably
Because
going to be there to
they
get us
have
the
the
video.
rest of
They
these
have
toys.
yes, they have. Lowe's come out with the primer.
Yeah.
And the little elf that was
The
trying
dentist.
to be a tooth fairy, the dentist, and then the abominable snowman, and then Rudolph, and then Spirit come out with the Jack in the Box, the elephant,
And the girl, the doll.
Yeah, there's like 4 of them. So
Misfit toys.
that goes
So
with
yeah.
the island of the misfit toys, right? Yeah.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section, and we'll get back with you as quickly as possible. And we appreciate y'all watching the videos, and our subscribers are going up. We're getting close to 1,000, so
Thank you
we're
all.
gonna have a party when we hit 1,000.
Yeah.
So we
When
really
I
do
go live.
appreciate it, and we'll keep bringing you great content. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.